Welcome friends. Today's topic is grades of cement concrete. So let's get started. Here is the question. Write a detailed note on grades of cement concrete. Mention their uses. So here is the answer. Grades of cement concrete. This is the picture of concrete. Concrete is generally graded according to its compressive strength in the designation in concrete mix. The letter M refers to the mix and the number is the specified characteristic strength of 150 mm work cube at 28 days expressed in megapascal and other unit is Newton per mm square. For example, for a grade of concrete with 20 megapascal strength, it will be denoted by M20, where M stands for mix. This grade of concrete is converted into various mix proportions. For example, M20 concrete mix proportion will be 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3 for cement, sand, and coarse aggregates. For general guidance, the nominal mixes correspond approximately to the different grades as follows. So these are the different grades: M5, M7.5, M10, M20, M25. And according to this, the mixture of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate are in this proportion. For M5, this is 1 part of cement and 5 part of sand and 10th part of coarse aggregate. Similarly, for M7.5, 1 part is cement, 4th part is sand and 8th part is coarse aggregate. Similarly, M10 is 1 ratio 3 ratio 6, means 1 part of cement, 3 part of sand and 6 part of coarse aggregate. And in M20 it is 1, 1.5 and 3, means 1 part of cement and 1.5 part of sand and 3 part of coarse aggregate. And M25 it is 1 part of cement, 1 part of sand and 2 part of coarse aggregate. Look at this table. This is a table of grades of concrete. In it, first column of group, second column is grade designation, and third column is specified characteristic compressive strength of a 150 mm cube at 28 days in Newton per mm square unit. So in group ordinary concrete, it is grade designation is M10, which have compressive strength is 10 Newton per mm square of 150 mm cube. Similarly, for N15, it is 15 Newton per mm square. For M20, it is 20 Newton per mm square. Next, for standard concrete. For standard concrete, the grade designation is M25 of 25 Newton per mm square characteristic compressive strength. Next is M30, it is 30 Newton per mm square. Next is M35, it is 35 Newton per mm square. Further, in standard group, other grade designation is M40, which have 40 Newton per mm square characteristic compressive strength. Next is M45, it is 45 Newton per mm square. Next is M50, it is 50 Newton per mm square. Next is M55, it is 55 Newton per mm square. So next group is third group of high strength concrete. The grade designation in it is M60, which have 60 Newton per mm square, characteristic compressive strength of 150 mm3 at 28 days. Next is M65, it is 65 Newton per mm square. M70, it is 70 Newton per mm square. M75, it is 75 Newton per mm square. M80, it is 80 Newton per mm square. The concrete of grades M5 and M7.5 is suitable for lean concrete bases, simple foundations for masonry walls, and other simple reinforced concrete constructions. These need not to design. The concrete of grades lower than M15, it is not suitable for reinforced concrete works, and grades of concrete lower than M30 are not to be used in the pre-stressed concrete works. So dear friends, this is all about grades of cement concrete. You write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist in my channel related to construction and building materials in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction and building materials related videos. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.